I remember right before I performed, I raised my hands up, and I remember right before I performed, I raised my hands up, and it was kind of the first time I felt something else come into me, and I knew that was going to be my coming out night for the BET Awards.
Okay, she lifted her hands up. And what did she do? She said she felt something coming to her. How? You know she has an alter ego she calls Sasha Fierce. I don't know if you've heard of it, right? She said that Sasha Fierce means the moment she gets on stage, she becomes someone else. And even she said in interviews, when she looks at herself, she's like, I can't even sing like that by myself. I can't even dance like that. Something takes a hold of her. And that's something I'm telling you, ladies, is not God. It's not God. It's the devil. Next one, Katy Perry. Now she says it very openly. You know Katy Perry, right? Yeah? I kissed a girl and I liked her. Okay. She has admitted in this interview, literally, you will hear her say, I sold my soul to the devil. Literally, I'm not making this up. Now listen to what she says here. Let's find the video. Okay. By the way, she came out of a Christian household, ladies. Just wanted to say. She came out of it. And look where she's now. Okay. Let's try to play at the same time.
You're doing really well now, but didn't you release the CD like almost 10 years ago? Yeah, I mean, I released a gospel record when I was 15 because I grew up in Wales, where all I ever did was listen to gospel music, and my parents had traveling ministers, and so I kind of sang about, what was going on in my life at 15, and that's how I got introduced to the music industry, because I swear I wanted to be like the Amy Grant of music. Yeah. But it didn't work out, and so I sold myself to the devil.
Okay. She, from her own lips, said, who's a big Hollywood artist, this girl's got records and everything, everyone knows her. She said, I sold my soul to the devil. Now people will be like, oh, she was just joking. No, that's why you want to think these artists, it comes out of Christ. If you want to make it big in Hollywood, if you want to have all the fame, like we read in the Bible, what did the devil say to Jesus? What did he say to him? I will give you all of the kingdoms. He said, I will give you all of the riches, all of the kingdom, if you bow down to me. That's what Hollywood, that's what these artists are doing, ladies. They are bowing down to the devil. And yes, they do satanic rituals. Yes, it is a thing. It's not. So you think, oh, it's not. It is. She sold her soul. She made a pact with the devil in order to get fame and riches and glory and be famous. Just like the devil. The devil never brings a new strategy. Always the same. I give you riches. I give you man. I give you fame. Bow down to me. Because we learn, what did the devil say? He wants to be. What does the devil want to be? He wants to be God. God. He wants to be worshipped. And he's just using these artists as puppets to get to you, to me. Now, last video, this is a very impactful video. This guy, he was supposed to be in a band. He used to be in Hollywood. Boyzone was the name of the band. And he came to Jesus. He became a Christian. And this guy tells me, he will tell you what he has seen and heard. And he's been up there from his own lips. Now, here we go. 1, 2.
I've been in rooms at the top of the top, which albums are prayed over demonically. Music is prayed over demonically. And that goes out to the world, goes out to the radio station, goes out to the public. And when you see that stuff and know that stuff, it's frightening.
What do you mean by that, Shane, prayed over demonically?
So, rituals, ceremonies, everything to bring, to give light to the devil, to Satan. It's a satanic music industry. That's the majority of what it is.
Do you mean figuratively, or do you mean literally you've been in...
Literally, yes.
And can you share what those albums were? Were they your albums?
No, they were their albums, no. They were not Boyzone albums. So that's what I mean by not every music is that, but it was on the stepping stone to that. So you're going back to the 1993s and the 2000s. And if you look at what the music is today, the industry is today, for all these Simon Smiths to Dr. Cats to Beyonce's to, they are so demonic, it's unbelievable. And we can't, it's in front of us.